work expands to the time you give it, right? So if you say, I have 2 weeks to get this done, it's going to take you 2 weeks to get it done. If, however, you say, I have 2 hours to get it done, you'll get it done in 2 hours. So having the mindset of getting things done in a certain amount of time and having the mindset of these are the boundaries that are important to me. I stop work at 5 o'clock. I work out 3 days a week, so don't bother scheduling calls with me between 9 and 11 because that's my workout time. One of my things this year, and because of the 2 accidents in 2023, I've had a progressive tremor. So I'm dealing with some health issues now. And last year, I was working hard. I had a couple of coaching clients, and they were keeping me really, really busy. And I kind of stepped out of my boundaries for a little while and said, well, I'm helping them. I'll do this. I've got these boundaries. I just expanded them a little bit. And finally said at the beginning of this year, you know what? It's not worth it. So I walked away from 2 different $100,000 contracts and decided I'm going back to taking care of me and my health, doing what is important to me. Meanwhile, the business is still running. I have clients, I have staff that are handling the coaching pieces, but I'm not doing that. I'm taking 2 hours off this afternoon to go horseback riding because I want to, because it's something that calms me, that calms my tremors and is good for me. And just, damn it, because I want to.